वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माई सेल्फ वरिंदर सिंगला। आज हम नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स अवार्ड्स ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं, ये जो नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स अवार्ड्स हैं ये कौन देता है। दीज आर गिवन बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ यूथ अफेयर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स। द नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स अवार्ड्स आर गिवन इन 6 डिफरेंट categories which are as follows. First one is Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, formerly known as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Recently, Mr. Narendra Modi has changed his name from Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award to Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Second one is Dronacharya Award. Third one is Arjuna Award. Fourth one is Dhyan Chand Award. Fifth one is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy. Sixth one is Rashtriya Khel Purusthan Puraskar. These are the 6 sports awards which are given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So, Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. It is the highest civilian award in India given in the field of sports. Firstly, it was awarded in 1991-1992 financial year. It was established in 1992 with the cash prize of 25 lakh as per November 21 data. The eligibility for this award is Indian sports person. On 13 November 2021, 12 Indian sports persons being conferred the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. These are the recipients of Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2021. In athletics, Mr. Neeraj Chopra. In wrestling, Mr. Ravi Kumar. Boxing, Luvina Borogin. In hockey, P.R. Shirija. Parashooting, Avani Lekhara. Para-athletics, Smith Antil. Para-badminton, Pramod Bhagat. Para-badminton, Krishna Nagar. Para-shooting, Manish Narwal. Cricket, Mithili Raj. Football, Sunil Chetri. And in hockey, Manpreet Singh, who is the captain of Indian hockey team. Second one is Dronacharya Award. The Dronacharya Award, officially known as Dronacharya Award for outstanding coaches in sports and games, is sports coaching honor of the Republic of India. The award is named after Drona, often referred as Dronacharya or Guru Drona, a character from the Sanskrit epic Mahabharata of ancient India. First awarded in 1985, its cash prize is 50 lakh as per November 21. This award is given to the coaches only. On November 13, 10 coaches being conferred the Dronacharya Award. This is the list of 10 recipients of Dronacharya Award. They are given in 2 categories, lifetime category and regular category. So this is the list of recipients of Dronacharya Award, 5 in lifetime category and 5 in regular category. The names can be referred in this sheet. Next one is Arjuna Award. The Arjuna Award, officially known as Arjuna Award for outstanding performance in sports and games, is the second highest sporting honor of India. The award is named after Arjuna, one of the central characters of the Sanskrit epic Mahabharata of ancient India. It was first awarded in 1961. Cash prize is 15 lakh as per November 21 data. Eligibility to all Indian sportsperson. On November 13, 35 Indian sportsperson being conferred the Arjuna Award. Here is the list enclosed. First 10 are Shikhar Dhawan, Ankita Rana, Simranjit Singh and Surinder Kumar. And so this is the list of recipients of Arjuna Award. First 10, another 10s, another 10 and 5, last 5. So these are the 35 recipients of Arjuna Award 2021. Dhyan Chand Award. The Dhyan Chand Award awarded for glorious contribution during active sporting career and after retirement. The award for lifetime achievement in sports and game is the lifetime achievement sporting honor of the Republic of India. It is first rewarded in 2002. Cash reward is 10 lakh as per November 21 data. Uh, 5 Indian sports persons are being conferred the Dhyan Chand Award. The list for the 5 recipients of the Dhyan Chand Award is wrestling Mr. Sajjan Singh, in the sports category chess Abhijit Kunte, in hockey Davinder Singh, boxing Lekha Kesi, kabaddi Vikas Kumar. Next one is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy. The Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy, abbreviated as Makka Trophy, is a sports honor of the Republic of India. The award is named after Abdul Kalam Azad, commonly referred to as Maulana Azad, one of the senior leader of Indian independence movement and first minister of education in independent India. It is first awarded in 1956-1957 financial year. The first position reward is 15 lakh, second position reward is 7.5 lakh, and third position award is 4.5 lakh. Awarded to overall top performing institution or universities. It is a running and rolling trophy. All other awarded are given separately, but this is a running and rolling trophy. Every year this trophy is being given to another honorable institution or university. The recipient of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy 2021 is Punjab University Chandigarh. This is the continuous, this is a hat trick they have received this Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy 2021. Next is Rashtriya Khel Prosthan Puraskar. Rashtriya Khel Prosthan Puraskar awarded to corporates, NGOs, sports promotion boards, both public as well as private. Its primary objective is to encourage such organizations which are involved in the promotion of sports actively and successfully. First awarded in 2009, there is no cash prize in Rashtriya Khel Prosthan Puraskar Award. Two institutions being conferred the Rashtriya Khel Prosthan Puraskar. These are in the category of identification and nurturing of budding and young talent. The institution is Marav Rachna Educational Institution. The encouragement to sports through corporate social responsibilities, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. These are the recipients of Rashtriya Khel Prosthan Puraskar 2021. So this is all about National Sports Award of Indian. Thank you. Happy learning.